Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my Young Living monthly wellness box for January. So I got a whole bunch of things this month that are new to me, and I'm really excited to share them with you because I've already kind of busted into them and tried them myself, and it's safe to say I'm pretty pleased. So really quickly, before I show you all the things that I got, if you don't know what a monthly wellness box is, I am a part of the Essential Rewards program with Young Living, which means that I place a monthly order. This is totally optional to be a part of. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I know that I'm going to be ordering monthly anyways, and you get some major perks for being on the Essential Rewards program. So if you are going to be placing pretty consistently, then it is a no-brainer to be on Essential Rewards because you get points back to use like cash, and you also get free promo oils and essential oils and things like that. So it's just a no-brainer. I use this order to stock up on the things that I used to get from Target, like toothpaste, shampoo, baby products. Supplements are huge. I get all of my supplements from Young Living now. So I just transferred that budget from Target over to Young Living, and I'm actually saving quite a bit of money because I get all of those perks for being on Essential Rewards. It's also totally optional to be a part of Essential Rewards. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but you can, and you can also get off at any point as well. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to share with you is something that I order every single month because I am obsessed with it. I drink it every single day, and that is Ningxia Red. Ningxia Red is made from wolfberries, aka goji berries, and they are jam-packed full of antioxidants. And antioxidants are so important in our diet, especially in this day and age, because we get free radicals in our body, which are common. Everybody gets a certain amount of free radicals, but in today's society, with the diet that we eat and with all of the stress that we take on, our body is producing more and more free radicals. And free radicals are very, very bad for your body. They oxidize the cells, causing them to explode. Well, I'm gonna have a little helper with me. He was supposed to be taking a nap, and Andrew had taken Emmy out of the house so I could get this done. But he woke up from his nap, so we're gonna film this with a little Oakley man helper. Okay, so what I was saying about the Ningxia Red. Full of antioxidants. Antioxidants are good to help fight the free radicals that we have inside our body. The free radicals are very dangerous to us because they are linked to cancer, all bad things. And so if we can consume as many antioxidants as we can in order to help combat those free radicals, fight off the free radicals, then we need to. The only problem is you need to consume a heck of a lot of antioxidants, or fruits and veggies that contain antioxidants in order to fight off those free radicals. And you need to eat something like 1,200 blueberries in order to get the same amount of antioxidants that you can get in 1 to 2 ounces of Ningxia Red. So me personally, I'm not going to be eating 1,200 blueberries. So I love to drink 1 to 2 ounces. I drink between 2 and 4 on some days, just depends on my mood. And it's a really yummy drink. It tastes kind of fruity, just refreshing. Somebody asked me if it sat heavy on your stomach. Absolutely not. It's just refreshing. And my favorite way to drink it is to pour a little bit into some sparkling water, and it's kind of like my mid-afternoon pick-me-up. It also is very helpful for boosting your energy and just all kinds of really good things. So I love Ningxia Red. Our whole family drinks it. I drink it, Andrew drinks it, Emmy drinks it. I just pour 1 ounce in with some water, and we call it her juice, and she loves it. And then Oakley will actually be able to drink this starting at 6 months. It'll just be diluted. So I got all of that to say, I got lots of Ningxia Red this month. I actually got the Ningxia Red kit, the Essential Rewards Ningxia Red kit. So I got 4 of these bottles, and so I just keep these in the refrigerator and pour them out as needed. But then they also send a box of these 2-ounce packets. I'll open it up so you guys can see. So this is a 2-ounce packet, and these are so helpful on the go. So you can just open it up and drink it straight if you wanted to. Or you can take, I don't know, a can of sparkling water with you and just make your little cocktail on the go. Super easy. These are just really, really helpful and handy to have. You can also stick them in the freezer and then I don't know, take them with you in the car, and by that time they'll have thawed out and they'll be nice and cold and refreshing. So I got tons and tons of Ningxia. I was really excited to get all of this. We will stick with the theme of food. This is another thing that I got, is the Einkorn Flakes cereal. So this is something that I hadn't tried before, but I have been wanting to for a long time. This cereal is actually really interesting. If you've never heard of einkorn, einkorn is a flour that is as basic as it gets. So if you've never heard of einkorn, einkorn is the oldest variety of wheat known to man. It is super compatible with the human body, and it has retained its primitive genetic code, meaning with only 14 chromosomes as opposed to the hybridized wheat, which now has 47 chromosomes. I thought that was fascinating, and it's very telling about how our food is grown and genetically modified and all of that these days. So I got this and I tried it and I loved it. And I didn't have to love it. I was actually super skeptical because it kind of looks just like, I don't know, some plain old dry flake cereal. But I really liked it. It had great flavor and it's slightly sweetened, and I'm not the only person in our family who likes it. Emerson is obsessed with it. Emerson has been asking for it every single night before she goes to bed. So I will definitely be stocking us up on these. And price-wise, it is very comparable to any other cereal that you would get out there. So the next thing that I got is a staple in our home, and that's the einkorn granola. I get this every single month, and we usually go through it pretty quickly. But it's the same deal with the cereal that I just talked about with the einkorn wheat. So the ingredients are sunflower seeds, coconut sugar, cranberries, almonds, wolfberries. So those wolfberries are the same thing in the Ningxia Red, those super high antioxidant wolfberries, walnuts, pecans, cacao nibs, vanilla extract, sea salt, and cinnamon. I eat this plain right out of the bag. Emmy does too, but I also really like to top it on some Siggi's yogurt. That is my favorite brand of yogurt, and so this on top of that Siggi's yogurt is to die for. All right, moving on. I got our family finally some Thieves Foaming Hand Soap. So this is infused with essential oils. It's specifically Thieves essential oil, which is a blend of essential oils that is your immune support best friend. Especially for this time of year, this is gonna just be a lifesaver. So I'm excited to have this. I actually got a 3-pack. I don't have hands to show you all 3 of them, but I got this one. And then it comes with a little foaming hand soap pump. And as soon as these run out, I'm going to just get a big bottle of the refill, and I'll keep these same bottles and just keep refilling it. And they're actually really long lasting because it's foaming. So this should last us a really long time. I have one right now down at our kitchen sink, and we've been using it already. And it's super just moisturizing to your hands. It doesn't dry them out. And it just feels really, really good. Poor Oakley has been teething so badly, but this is a pro tip for you mamas out there. If you guys have teething babies, Coat by Eva essential oil is a godsend. Godsend. So all you have to do, I personally dilute it a little bit just because Oakley is so little, but if you have a little bit older babies that are teething, you can just rub it straight on their gums, and it helps so much. I also got Emerson this KidSense Mighty Pro pre and probiotic supplement. So it comes with both the pre and the probiotic, which is important to have. The prebiotic kind of preps your gut so that your stomach acids and things don't kill off the probiotic, which is what you really need to help promote healthy gut bacteria and things like that. This is super fun to give to Emerson. She loves it. She calls it candy. I would compare it similar to something like a pixie stick. It's just a powder consistency. So we have been just pouring it into Emerson's mouth. She loves it. If your kid isn't really into that, then you can just pour this into some water and it'll be kind of like a fruit punch drink. Okay, so I have showed you all of the things that I personally purchased, but because, like I said, I'm on the Essential Rewards program, I earned points back, number one, to use like cash, but I also got some free promotional oils and products. So I'm going to show you all the things that I got for free. The first oil that I got for free is Longevity, and this has 4 essential oils: thyme, orange, clove, and frankincense. And all of these oils can help support things in your body that can promote longevity. So specifically your brain, liver, and heart. So the next oil that I got for free is Digest. And Digest was my aha oil that made me a believer in essential oils. So this oil is great for all things digestive support. Your premium starter kit will come with 2 roller top bottles, and so you can just pop one right on top of Digest. The other one that I recommend you popping that onto is Stress Away, because Stress Away is like an island getaway in a bottle, and it also makes a great perfume. You can also put that roller top right onto Digest and roll it on your belly or on your chest. Whatever is causing you discomfort, specifically digestive discomfort, then you will love Digest. Digest is a blend of essential oils, and so it contains many single essential oils to create the blend Digest. So Digest contains tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, and patchouli. And then the third oil that I got for free is Citrus Fresh. Citrus Fresh is one of the most commonly used oils that we use in our house because we use it on all things stinky. It's great for just freshening up your home. We put it on our wool dryer balls, in our trash cans, shoes, garbage disposals, anything stinky, Citrus Fresh goes on it. And Citrus Fresh is a blend of essential oils again, so it contains a bunch of citrus essential oils to make up the blend Citrus Fresh. So this one contains orange, tangerine, lemon, grapefruit, and mandarin. Oh, and then it has a little bit of spearmint in it as well. This one's also really great to just diffuse into the air. Citrus oils are refreshing and invigorating, but at the same time can be kind of calming, just because they bring about feelings of happiness and joy, which in turn can kind of calm you down. And the very last thing that I got for free, this is the one that I'm most excited about, is the Life 9 probiotic supplement. So probiotics are super important to be taking every single day to help promote a healthy gut. There are so many reasons why our gut is destroyed every single day, and so it is our duty as people wanting to live healthier lives and lifestyles and just feel good to take a probiotic, because our gut contains a ton of healthy bacteria which helps break down the food and just keep us healthy. But there's so many different things that we do every single day that can break down the gut, destroy those healthy bacteria. 2 things that come to mind that I know all of us are guilty of is taking antibiotics. When we take antibiotics, we take it to help fight off the bacterial infection that is going on in our body. But when we take that antibiotic, it kills off not only the bad bacteria, but the good bacteria as well. So then we especially need to take a probiotic to help build up that healthy bacteria again. Another thing that I can think of that we do every single day that throws off our gut balance, healthy gut balance, is to use the traditional hand sanitizers. We think we're doing a good thing by putting those hand sanitizers on and killing off the germs so that we don't get sick. The problem with using traditional hand sanitizers is there are ingredients in those sanitizers that can actually throw off healthy gut balance, and the majority of our immune systems resides in our gut. I have gone off on a rabbit trail, but instead of the traditional hand sanitizers that are out there that are harmful to the gut, throw off healthy gut balance, all of the above, we use the Thieves hand purifier, which does not contain any of those harmful unbalancing chemicals that can actually cause us to get sick. The Thieves hand purifier has that blend of Thieves essential oil, which is so great for supporting a healthy immune system, and it also contains peppermint. So when you smell this, it smells so minty fresh, but not like an artificial peppermint. It is the real deal peppermint. It is so good. So we put this in all of our diaper bags. We put it in our bathrooms, in our kitchen, in our cars. Like, we have these little guys just scattered everywhere, so there's no excuse for us not to use them. Bringing myself back to the topic that I originally was talking about is this Life 9 probiotic. The bottle says Life 9 is a proprietary combination of 9 beneficial bacteria strains that promote natural digestive balance and support a healthy immune system. Its targeted release capsules allow cultures to bypass the stomach, improving overall product efficacy. and this has over 17 billion active cultures. So that is all of the things that I got in my Essential Rewards wellness box this month, well, January. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and got some ideas to put into your Essential Rewards boxes. If you guys are at all interested in essential oils or just want to talk more with me, go ahead and message me on Instagram at Allie_gooch. That is the best place to contact me and just chat with me over there. So go find me, message me, and we will get you all set up, get you started using essential oils the right way. Also, when you join our team, we have Facebook groups full of education, classes, support. We do classes all of the time, and we just have a really sweet community. We chat there daily, we support each other, encourage each other, and we just help each other use essential oils and help support each other as we are on this journey to a healthier lifestyle for us and our families. I also have a link in the description box below called My Essential Oils. So if you want to just bypass all of it and click that link, you can check out more information about getting a premium starter kit, which I recommend as the best way to get started with essential oils. And that's what I did. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming out. Follow us on Instagram at Allie_gooch to keep up with us on a day-to-day basis there. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.